Hi, this is Home Inspector Dan Pierce at 4725 East Brown Road, Unit 84 at a sewer camera inspection in Mesa today. We're up on the roof of an apartment unit or a condo unit, townhouse. We're going to go down through a plumbing vent right here on the roof. There's a couple of these wider ones on the roof that we can go down. We looked on the ground for any plumbing cleanouts, but we didn't locate any. Nothing for access to the plumbing system that we can see of, but we might be able to locate some openings with this camera and then maybe try and find them after that. So I've got the shower running in the hall bathroom. I'm going to see if we can push past that and get out to the street today. So we're just going through a vertical pipe, drain pipe, and now we're going to turn to the horizontal drain. That's the inside of the drain pipe. Don't see any water running, so it's likely that this is after or before the shower drain goes out to the street from the hallway. So that's where the shower drain meets up right there. So off to the right is where that bathroom shower drain goes out to the street. We've got ABS pipes. Looks like another drain connection right there. A little bit of debris. Some hydrojet maintenance, which is just basically a power washing of the inside of the pipes down here. We clean a lot of this up. Yep, some more debris in the line. Checking out the connections between the ABS pipes there, making sure there's no gaps or cracks. Now when this pipe goes down, this is likely into the city. So there we reach PVC pipe, that white pipe at 57 feet, which would be your city drain pipes. Looks like everything is working great today. I'm going to pull the camera back slowly and double check everything on the way back out to make sure that we didn't miss something. But I didn't locate any clean out entrance points either. I might be able to locate something going through the video on a bigger screen. Debris and gunk in the pipe. That white line is your water line mark, so if you're taking a bath or draining a bathtub, doing the dishes, you've got a lot of water in your system, that's typically how high it gets. It's that white line. Or it has been that high before and it just left some mineral deposits on it. So I'm looking at those lines on the top there where it goes straight down. I can't see any cracking of any kind, but it looks like something was dragging. Let's see. They kind of start right there. That might be cracked out. We do have a pretty big tree on the north side of this unit. Those might be cracks on the top side of the pipe. I'd have to verify that. Like I said, on something bigger, and that would be at 30 feet to roughly 40 feet. But yeah, we've got some more of those lines there. We just need to verify this on a bigger screen. 26 feet. It's on the drain connection. That's where your laundry or your hall bathroom is up to the main drain pipe. I'll get a better look at those lines on the top of that pipe and make sure that nothing's cracked out. rest of your system looks great. ABS pipes all the way from the unit out to the street, and then PVC from there on out from the street. So looks good. Let me verify that those aren't any cracks. Like I said, I didn't see any cracking on this video, but if I do see it on the bigger video, I'll let you know, and we'll get that examined. So thanks for using Homeowners. Thanks for using PPG.